Raparperikiisseli. Rhubarb pudding. A dessert from Finland. Serves 4. You will need 8 ingredients. Step 1. Rinse the rhubarb and cut up into short sections. There is no need to peel the stalks. Step 2. Put the sugar and rhubarb in layers into enamel or steel saucepan. Add a small amount of water. Simmer the rhubarb over a very low heat, or bake in a slow oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for half an hour. Add the water and bring to the boil. Step 4. Mix the potato starch in a small amount of water. Remove the pan from the heat and stir in the well-mixed potato starch thickener. Put the pan back on the heat and bring to the boil without stirring. Step 5. Pour the stewed rhubarb into a serving dish and sprinkle with a little sugar to prevent a skin from forming, or cover with plastic wrap. For special occasions, top with whipped cream. Note: keep the pudding at room temperature. Its color and consistency may change if kept in a